Yo guys, what is going on? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account in Chapter 3, Season 3. Now, I know Season 4 is coming up very soon, but this should be working in Season 4 as well. This works in any season. So yeah, you guys can watch the full entire video because it's actually insane. But yeah, and if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications because these devs do update very constantly. So yeah, make sure to turn on notifications. But without further ado, let's get on to this tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is go into the link of the description. And when you're in the link of the description, it's going to be a recognized link. There's going to be multiple steps here. So yeah, this is part of the easy process, but then the hard process comes in later. So you guys are going to watch very closely. So like, subscribe to myself. And then once you've done that, go back onto the page and subscribe to my friend X Shadow. So once you have subscribed to both of us, it will unlock the link, so just wait for it to unlock the link. It takes 10 to 15 seconds. It's just gonna recognize that you subscribed to both of us, and if you guys are already both subscribed, just go on the page and it's already gonna recognize that you subscribed, so you should be chilling. And then eventually it's gonna unlock this link for Ty's link, which is right here. And then you guys want to go on download Fortnite dev. Once you have done this, you want to open up the download. It's going to automatically run as an administrator, and it's going to pull up a pop-up right here. You guys are going to want to press next, skip all, and then press open. It's going to open my Beacon's AI link, and then once you guys are here, you guys are going to want to scroll down to the Rex FN. Like I said, just go on to the Rex FN. It should be the third one down. But basically on this page, there's a bunch of legitimate private servers and hybrid servers. So yeah, I do make tutorials on these very frequently. So like I said, turn on notifications. But yeah, once you guys are in the Rex FN Discord server, then you guys just want to go into the rules and react to the rules to unlock the rest of the channels. So yeah, pretty simple process here, but this is where it gets a little bit confusing. So you guys want to go into the anywhere how to use platform. And then once you guys are at the anywhere how to use platform, you guys want to press their link for Ty's link. So then once you guys have done this, you guys just want to go through the same process that you did earlier. So just download it, double click on the download, run it as administrator, and then open up the link for Ty's link. So next, skip all, and then press open, and then it's gonna open up the anywhere Rex FN website. So then guys, once you guys are here, you guys just want to go on to the second link now. So the second link is basically just gonna be the Anywhere XFN website like it was earlier. And then from here guys, you guys can basically unlock any skin through this website. And you guys may be asking, well, where's the skins? So basically it's gonna have a username to add, and then you guys don't wanna go add that username, and then it will gift you basically all the skins. So yeah, you guys just wanna wait for that to actually pop up. And then once it has popped up, you guys just want to make sure to add that username. But yeah, it just takes a bit, and just be patient with this because don't rush anything, because this is where it gets a little bit confusing. So make sure to add the username. So like I said, copy, and then you guys want to load up Fortnite and actually add the username. So yeah, once you guys have done this, just load up Fortnite and add the username. So yeah. Also, if you guys are still watching, make sure to comment W, because I will heart your comment. I want to see which of my viewers actually watched the full entire video. But yeah, once you guys have loaded up Fortnite, it's just going to bring you to the loading screen like it usually does. So yeah, if it doesn't, then that's something with your game. But yeah, once you guys are here, you just want to add this username. And then once you guys have done this, you guys can add the username. And then from here, guys, you guys can automatically join its party. And there you guys go. You have officially unlocked the Renegade Raider skin. And you may be asking yourself, well, how do I actually put on different skins? So with this, guys, you guys can basically go on the website and actually equip different emotes, different skins, upcoming skins, unreleased skins. And you guys can even join your friends with this, which I think is pretty cool, because you guys can show them your unreleased skins. So yeah, we literally have the Goku skin, which was released recently. But yeah, we also have TBD skins. And then with this, guys, you guys can basically wear like skins that will never be released. Now TBD skins basically mean that there are skins that will never be released. So yeah, these might be released, but most of the time they are just scrap skins that Fortnite makes, and they won't ever be released. So yeah, if you guys recognize a couple of these, as you guys can see, we have literally that skin right there, which will probably never be released, and you guys probably don't even know what that even is. It's literally just a blue skin. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully this tutorial actually worked for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace out, boys.